So nandito tayo naman sa Latte of Freedom. So ang Latte of Freedom ay parang ang Statue of Liberty. So ginawa ito pinopose ito ni Bordalo. So here, Bordalo is a senator back then, pero namatay siya noong 1990. So Bordalo planned to create this one na symbolizes the strength of Chamorro. So dito tayo sa side na to. Papakita ko sa inyo yung na-recover nilang stone during ancient Chamorro village. So according dito, ito is sa mga nakita nilang or na-recover nilang stone during that time. So yung latte means that it's a capstone. So meron ditong structure according to my research, since hindi ako ganun ka-familiar, pero ako yun nga, it's a stone structure unique to the Marianas. So meron silang pillar, which is ito yun, and a capstone.